This is the East Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for Wednesday, April the 23rd. So not much to talk about except for we have quite a bit of unsettled weather moving into the region, although not a whole lot of it is going to be really all that impactful. We're not looking at a ton of moisture at any one time, just a lot of occasional showers and thunderstorms. And then we're also going to expect slightly above normal temperatures for the next few days. Looking at our satellite image this morning, not a ton going on out there. We will have some clouds filtering in across the region as the day goes on, though. Weather risk outlook, looking for little to no impacts across the region, just chronic showers and occasional thunderstorm or two running around. So high temperatures today generally expected to be in the 60s in many areas. Chances of precipitation today generally best across the central mountains and also out across the eastern highlands. And across the eastern highlands is probably where we have the best chance of seeing a rumble or thunder or two. Expected rainfall today looks pretty light. Generally, everything should be less than an inch across much of the region. Less than 1/10 of an inch across much of the region today. Highest wind gusts today, generally looking at winds being fairly light. Might see a gust or two up to about 15 to 20 miles per hour though. Looking at our temperatures overnight tonight, generally most areas will be above freezing, and then high temperatures once again tomorrow, reasonably mild, generally in the 50s and 60s area wide. Chances of precipitation tonight, once again, best across the high country, central mountains, and southeast highlands, and then better chances area wide on Thursday across the area. Rainfall amounts, though, you see tonight and tomorrow, pretty light. Generally, most areas less than 1/10 of an inch. Wind gusts for tomorrow afternoon. Once again, looking at fairly light winds across the region. Might be an occasional gust up to about 15 miles per hour or so. As we move into Friday, once again, overnight lows Friday morning generally expected to be near or above freezing. And then high temperatures on Friday, a little bit milder with temperatures in the 60s to around 70. Precipitation chances a little bit weaker Thursday night, but increase again Friday as we have another surge of moisture trying to work into the region. So the chances of precipitation are a little bit better across the eastern highlands, but increase across the central Idaho region as well. Rainfall amounts, once again, not looking for a lot of rain, generally less than 1/10 of an inch during this period. And highest wind gusts on Friday afternoon do get a little bit stronger. Might see an occasional gust 20 to 25 miles per hour. As we go into Saturday, overnight lows for Saturday morning, we expect them to be pretty mild, generally above freezing. And then high temperatures on 70 in the 60s to around 70. And then precipitation chances, generally looking at isolated scattered showers Friday night and Saturday across the area. And once again, the rainfall amounts are probably pretty light. Right now look like they're going to be less than 1/10 of an inch. Highest wind gusts Saturday afternoon will be a little bit on the breezy side with some gusts 20 to 30 miles per hour possible across the region. So just to summarize, showery weather expected into the weekend, although not a ton of moisture expected at any one time, with slightly above normal temperatures expected to continue into the weekend. So that concludes this morning's briefing. If you have any questions, comments, please contact us with the information below. Thank you.